Fantastic. Steve Wells, JJ Roofing Supplies. I'm at our Cricklewood branch today, 5th of July, for the Roofing Trade Show 2022. And as you can see behind me, we've got loads of suppliers, and most importantly, we've got loads of customers, new, existing and old. So have a walk with us and we can see all the suppliers. Wonderbuild, one of our great partners. SSQ, another one of our great partners. They're all great partners today. Rico, they do some fantastic flat roofing trims. Great range of products, outlets and trims and things like that. Another one of our long-term partners, obviously Curate, with their GRP systems. This is our goodie bag stand with my son Liam. Liam's manning it today, scanning everybody in, giving them their food tokens and their free goodie bags. With loads of nice giveaways in, water bottles, pens, tape measures, t-shirts, fantastic. Flowplast with their guttering. Barry, our manager from London Coney. Morning, Barry. Yeah, very good. BMI. We've got tool stands, DeWalt. Absolutely brilliant, with some challenges and some prizes to win. Velux, obviously, front and centre with their install rigs.
Who's that over there, Steve?
That's Giraffe Lofts, one of our customers. Very kindly come along, and they're taking on the challenge, as you can see, and they're doing really well. Not bad for newcomers. Fantastic install. How's it going? Is it going all right?
Fabulous. We're just covering the solar conversion kit on a manual simple pivot window.
Solar is the watchword today. We've got a few suppliers here today that have bought solar systems along, which is great. Fantastic. Cover it. Our own advanced GRP waterproofing system. We've got Chris demonstrating it. How's it going, Chris? All right? It's a lovely day, isn't it? It's a lovely day. This product's taken off really well for us. It's got some unique advantages that none of the other GRP resins have got. So obviously that's available at all our JJ Roofing branches. Kemper are new to the Roofing Trade Show. This is Mark Morrison, National Sales Manager. We've got a really great partnership with Kemper. Nearly said Protan then, but we've got a fantastic relationship with Kemper, and between us we're kicking up a storm in London with our training and the fact that we're stocking the Kemper range of products. Thanks for coming, Mark. Very good. Our good friends from ResTech doing their golfing challenge.
Steve's going to have a go now.
I will have a quick go. But this is why I don't play on the golf day. Have you?
Yeah.
Could you make the hole bigger?
Yeah, we did, yeah.
Oh! I don't know whether that's the idea off the backboard, but I'll take that. That's really good. We've got Adriana from Coxstone with a fantastic range of flat roof windows. Marley are here with a horse racing game, which is very energetic. Doesn't suit me at all, but they've got some fantastic prizes. 2 VRP tickets to Ascot. I don't think you've actually got to get on the horses and race there when you get there, but if you get on these today, you're in the draw to win it. That is tiring, I've got to say. That's not good. Follow me, Nick. Obviously, we've got Flexol with EPDM, Classic Bond and Classic Bond Pro. Thanks to Emma for coming along. Really good. Julian's here, long-term friend and supplier with their M-Tray green roof system, which we dabble with. We don't do as much as we should, but it's a really fantastic system. Obviously, Dennis from Wellington with a fantastic range of Leicester hot air welding guns for single ply, dogs and pups and hand tooling, fantastic. All these Leicester guns are available through us at JJ Roofing, which is great. We've got our food supplier back again, repeat performance, looking after everybody really well with the food and coffee, which is all free when you come. Clover with their fantastic range of ventilation systems, and Wackaflex, really popular with our customers. And of course Jim from Armour Tool, who works really hard selling tools, because that's what he sells. Chroma are here with 2 new products today. One is Ledax Easy, and the other one is Chroma Slate. Both in stock and available at JJ Roofing Supplies. That's a new system if you need a lightweight replacement roof for something like a conservatory or an extension. What's the weight per square metre on them?
About 13.5 kilos.
13?
13.
Yes. 13. Very light, nearly as light as me. So that's really good. We've also got Matt from Big Wipes doing his thing, selling loads of tubs of Big Wipes, which is really good. In fact, if you get a chance to see a demo of Big Wipes, it's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Have we got time, Nick? No, we haven't got time, but I know you can do it because I've seen it this morning. Come this way, Nick. We're not quite finished. Really, I need a bus to get me around this trade show, because it's so big. We've got less space this year because of the containers, but we seem to have got we've got the suppliers more organised and in place, and we've got more suppliers than normal, which is really great. Obviously, as I said, we've got Marley here, Marley with their new solar. As I said to you, solar is a key word this year, and of course we've got their fibre cement weatherboard, which we're going to be stocking at JJ Roofing Supplies, which is really great. We've got all our tool suppliers, the guys from Faithful, the guys from DeWalt, doing great business for us as usual, always very supportive of us. So thanks for coming. It's been really good. You can see all the power tools over there where they're doing all their challenges and everything, which is really good. We've also got Protan, another one of our partners, single ply, trained contractors only, again at the Roofing Trade Academy, training academy upstairs, where we do courses so they can become approved and then install that stuff, because that stuff only goes to approved installers. So that's really good. And I won't say last but not least, but last but almost last is one of our lead suppliers from Abbey Metals. We've got some inventive lead options these days, which you need to look at to save yourself loads of money. And Saul's the guy really to get in touch with via us at JJ Roofing, which is great. Loads of pre-formed outlets. Watch out, Nick, you're going to fall over. Which is really good. So we're having a really good day. The sun's out. Everybody's eating burgers and sausages and bacon rolls and drinking loads of tea. The uptake so far, we're only at 10 o'clock, so we've only been going 3 hours, and we've had a really good uptake of people who have already registered. If you've got time and you're in the area, we're here till 4. I've made sure none of the suppliers will escape early, so they'll be here when you get here, so you can enter. We've got some fantastic competitions to enter and win loads of prizes. So you know where we are. We're at Unit 1, Staples Corner Business Park, Northwest 2, 6LU. And this is JJ Roofing Supplies Roofing Trade Show 2022. So come and see us, because if it's on the roof, we stock it.